Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're going to make a Salsa Verde inspired fermented hot sauce. This hot sauce is jam-packed with tomatillos, serrano peppers, and cilantro. The heat level's more medium-mild, so if you're looking for something hotter, check out one of our other videos, or just add a couple habaneros to up the heat level of this. In this video, I'll be covering prepping all your ingredients for fermentation, making a brine, and ultimately blending your hot sauce. The full recipe is linked in the description. And if you like hot sauce, and I hope you do, you'll definitely want to check out all our recipes and subscribe to this channel, and we'll keep the fermentation videos coming. But now, let's get started making the Salsa Verde fermented hot sauce. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of tomatillos, 1 pound serrano peppers, some cilantro, 1 small onion, chopped, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 2 cloves of garlic. You'll want to peel and remove the stems from all your tomatillos. Then give them a good rinse because they're going to be a little sticky. Cut your tomatillos into halves or quarters so they're all roughly the same size. Perfect. Serrano peppers aren't too hot, but we'll still recommend wearing gloves. For these, you just want to quarter them and remove the stems. Repeat for all. For your brine, you'll need 1 quart of water and 2 tablespoons of salt. Now mix that all together to dissolve. Now let's start layering everything into your fermentation jar. Add some cilantro, onions, tomatillos, and of course peppers. Garlic too. More tomatillos, more peppers, and keep layering. Another layer of cilantro. Pack them all in there. Top with your fermentation weight. And pour over your brine. Make sure everything is covered. Now add your lid and your airlock and ferment for 2 to 3 weeks. The tomatillos in this recipe make this a naturally thicker hot sauce. So if you want something thinner, definitely add more brine or vinegar when blending, but we love the consistency to douse over everything. After fermenting, the brine's going to be a little bit cloudy and the green color is going to dull a bit. Remove your fermentation weight. Now transfer all the vegetables to a blender.
Add 1 cup of brine. And 1 cup of white vinegar. Then blend away. Transfer your hot sauce into bottles. We always love one with a doser. And now you have Salsa Verde inspired fermented hot sauce. Enjoy.
After you're done blending and transferring your hot sauce into bottles or jars, it can be stored in the fridge. Again, I'm Erica from FarmSteady. Thanks so much for watching. And please, if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel and check out farmsteady.com for great fermentation kits and loads more recipes.